weaving stories, flavors, and beats. Some places don't just stay in your memories, they stay in your soul. San Jacinto, deep in the Montes de María, is one of those places. Here, every thread tells a story. In the Hammock Workshop, you'll learn from master artisans how to weave not just fabric, but identity, tradition, and history. Then, get your hands in the dirt and your senses on high with a cacao experience like no other. From bean to bar, you'll taste, smell, and feel the passion these farmers pour into every piece of chocolate. And just when you think you've felt it all, the music takes over. In our Folklore Workshop, with the legendary Rafael, the beats of the drum, the cry of the gaita, and the soul of Colombian music will pull you in. San Jacinto isn't just a trip. It's a vibe, a connection, an experience that'll stay with you forever. Feel it, live it, book it now.